Let's learn how you can fix no sound on Windows 11. So first thing you want to check is this sound bar in your bottom right corner. So click on it, check if you have sound here. If volume is mute, just unmute it. If this works but you still doesn't have sound, you need to go right here and go to volume mixer. Now make sure that everything is enabled here because you may have muted system sounds, for example, or your browser. Now check if the output device is correct while you are here, because you may choose different devices that you don't hear from. So make sure you are using the device that is plugged in. And if it still doesn't work, what you need to do, go back to sound, go back right here, choose where to play sound. If you can't find this device you're using, click on add the new device. Then what you can do is click more sound settings and check this one, because you can see that we are using them right now. Go to levels, enable level on how much you want. Enhancements, you don't need to touch this. Advanced, you need to test it right here. I suggest you the highest quality. And this you don't need to touch. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.